What if I told you that any long video can be turned into a viral YouTube short in just a few clicks? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to resize, reframe, and edit any video into a perfect YouTube short using Canva. It's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. As you can see, this is a regular horizontal YouTube video. Now we're going to transform it into a vertical YouTube short that's perfectly optimized for mobile viewers. Let's see how easily Canva makes the entire process. Click on Resize. Then type YouTube Shorts in the search bar. Select the YouTube Shorts format from the results and click Copy and Resize. Canva will automatically create a new design in the correct Shorts dimensions. Click here to open the newly created design. Click here to preview your YouTube short and make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click on Share. Then select Download. Choose your preferred video quality and finally click Download to save the video to your device. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, AI tips, and easy design tricks.